Hello everyone. Today I will demonstrate to you how to build an integrated media platform with generative AI. And we will do this with real world business scenarios. Enterprises today face a simple but costly problem. Documents, images, audio and video all live in separate silos. Each require a different tool, a different workflow and a different team. There is almost always an external cloud dependency required to process this data and also a subscription cost. This unified media intelligence hub shows how to build an all-in-one on-premise agentic multimodal LLM platform. It processes every media type, be it document, images, audio and video, giving enterprises a single integrated system that saves time, reduces complexity and accelerates decision making. For our first demo, let's go with text processing, and for this we will use a scenario of complex invoice PDFs. Every enterprise deals with thousands of vendor invoices. These invoice PDFs come in different formats. The manual data entry is slow and error prone. This causes finance teams to laboriously spend hours extracting and processing information. OCR alone cannot solve this problem because it can only extract data. What is required here is a coherent understanding and organization of this extracted data. This unified media hub does exactly that. This on-premise tech stack utilizes Tesseract OCR to extract information from complex tables, scanned images and handwritten notes. This is then combined with the locally running Llama3 or a DeepSeek R1 LLMs, thus converting the messy, unstructured text from the PDFs into a structured financial artifact, and all this automatically. All processing happens on-premise, hence there is no cloud calls or security scares. For the next demonstration, I will demonstrate image processing. For this, I will use the business scenario of check processing workflow. The pain point today is banks still rely heavily on manual check verification. This multi-stage process is slow, expensive and error prone. Operators today manually read critical fields from a check like pay, amount, date fields, etc. And this tedious manual process leads to stale checks slipping through. It also may cause missing signatures to go unnoticed, and routing decisions on where this check should be routed. Is it a domestic check? Is it international check? Those kind of decisions are completely human judgment and manual. This system here, the automated integrated platform, automates this entire check lifecycle with 4 staged multi-agent AI. These agents behave like a digital check operations team. The first agent here, collector agent, detects regions and extracts critical fields like payee, amount, date, MICR, and then it outputs structured fields. The second agent, which is the validator agent, applies custom checks to verify if the check is stale, a date is more than 3 months or 6 months old, or if there is a missing signature, or is the amount incorrectly entered. The third one is a categorizer agent. Based on the information extracted, this agent applies business rules and classifies checks into various categories. Is it a stale check, post-dated check, is it a valid check? And fourth one is a routing agent. This routing agent recommends whether this check should be sent to a rejected queue, approved queue, manual queue, along with the operator-friendly justification for this decision. The tech stack utilizes a locally running Qwen2.5-VL for extraction and reasoning. This has the ability to read images and extract the text out from the images. With this, we can accomplish not only processing but also an end-to-end business logic automation.
I cannot make. I lost access to the app. I tried to log into it, but it wouldn't let me. Somebody drained my account as we speak, and I need to stop it right now.
The next demonstration I will show is on audio processing. and this will be with the help of a support call intelligence. So today, every day enterprises generate hours of recorded calls. These come from customer support calls. No one has the time to listen to all these audio. These calls involve complaints, escalations, cancellations, retention failures, which remain unaddressed. Thus, customers leave silently, and enterprises only discover this problem months later. QA teams have only the ability to sample, say, 2% or less than 2% of such calls. Thus, the root causes of customer attrition stay hidden. Cloud transcription tools violate data residency and also privacy rules, and also they're very expensive. This unified media intelligence hub shows how to turn every support call into accurate transcripts that are searchable to obtain instant insights. All this on-premise and compliance safe. Equipped with this, the supervisor can then jump directly into the 12 seconds where the customer expresses frustration, intelligence, intent to cancel, or dissatisfaction with the service, and thus our call centers save a ton of time and become proactive rather than being reactive. This tech stack involves an on-premise Whisper Large for local reference. This generates a high accuracy transcription. It also uses Vosk server, which is a lightweight real-time ASR on-premise. And in the fourth demonstration, I will show you how video processing can be done. For this, we will use the scenario of direct video question answering. Enterprises today need a way to ask question to a video. The pain point is that the video is the most underutilized enterprise asset, and that is because it is hard to search, it is hard to analyze, and hard to extract insights from. Cloud video AI violates data residency policies, and it's also very expensive. This unified media platform can watch a video and answer specific question. I can ask it very specific questions like which vector databases were mentioned in this video, or a generic question like what is the summary of this video. It combines audio, visual frames, and LLM reasoning to produce precise answers. On the tech stack, the on-premise system utilizes deep video understanding, and it uses Qwen2.5-VL for this. It accomplishes video question answering, video classification, video captioning, and summarizing visual sequences.